Alright guys, welcome back. So this is a 2003 Dodge Intrepid. So it was a coolant leak. I'm going to show what's going on. So if you look right here, I have to set up one right there. So it's leaking. So I'm going to show you where it's leaking the coolant from. So right here, as you can see, it's a 2.7 liter double wide cam 24 valve. Sorry. So what happened? Right behind the to call it the alternator, there's this coolant outlet, which they call the thermostat water outlet. That's what they call it in the store. So it's leaking. So right here I have a camera, so I'm going to see if I can show you guys what I'm talking about. It's not perfect, but I'm just trying my best to show you guys. So there's a leak. Hold on, remove this light and see it better. Okay, it's not that easy to show you guys, but it's down in this hole right here. If you look right here, there's a block. Water outlet right there. It's unable to see, guys, so I'm just showing you guys what's going on. So that's where it's leaking from, on the driver's side, right behind the alternator. It's leaking. I'm trying to use this this what I call the camera to see if I can get a view on it, but it's a bit difficult to show you guys. But right there, that's black thing right there, those holes clump on it, that's what's leaking. So you're going to have to replace it, guys. And as you can see, it's leaking from the top of the motor right there. You can see that coolant. There's a bolt right there. So to remove this, you're going to have to remove it from the bottom, remove the alternator so you get more space, and pull those clamps to get it off and change it. That's it right there, guys. Alright. So if you happen to have the same issue on the driver's side of your vehicle where it's leaking coolant, most time that is what happened. So if you find this video useful, guys, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.